Hi there. Today I'm thinking about gratitude and luck and what makes uh, what makes for a fortunate life. I've said before that one of the things that makes me happy is when I have enough time and space to really think through what I want to do to to accomplish the little goals I have and the big goals. It takes time, and that, like I said before, is the real luxury. Hi, I'm Lisa. I'm an immigration lawyer, and I have thoughts about what it's like to be an immigration lawyer in this time and place. In December in the Pacific Northwest, we have a lot of rain, but in a space, in a place in the state where we often lose power in a storm, today I have power. I can see the lights behind me and the lights here. With power. With power, we have heat. That is a fortunate thing. There are people in the world in this state who don't now. There are people in other parts of the world who don't. So my life is pretty good for that aspect. Thinking also about people who come here from other countries and don't get to practice their professions, the things that they have trained for decades to do. A lot of immigrants are in that situation. Maybe they're doctors, maybe they're engineers, maybe they're colonels in the Air Force of another country. And what are they doing here? They are Uber drivers, they are school bus drivers, they are not really living up to what we would think is their full capacity in terms of their training, but they make a life. They make a life. So it's a long time that I've been practicing immigration law, and what I've learned, especially thinking recently, what I've learned is how to counsel people about what is realistic for them to hope for and work for in their cases. Sometimes people call me and they have a real specific thought about what they can do for their spouse, for themselves. And talking with me, then they understand that their first objective might not be the right one. And they could set a different one. They could decide not to move forward. And that might be a very saving grace for them, because if you make a wrong move in the immigration space these days, denials of a case that didn't matter much before, a denial might turn your case into a deportation case. And it's difficult to defend yourself in that system, which is pretty stacked against the immigrant. The burden of proof in a deportation case is only so small. The government has to show that you are here out of status and you're from another country. To win your case, you might have to show that you're extraordinary and that you have done humanitarian good work and that others around you would suffer, um, and not just suffer a little bit, but suffer to an extreme amount. So, yes, we want to keep our clients out of that system for sure. I'm feeling fortunate and lucky that I don't have too many people that are facing that now. I know how to do that. In the beginning of my career, I had a lot of those kind of cases. It's not the kind of case that I am choosing now, but I can help if that sort of thing does come up. So it's December. It's the season of little gifts and acknowledging gratitude. It's the season of darkness and also light. It's a good day to think about how lucky I am. Thanks very much.